Hi guys. Trying something new today. As you know, if you've been following me for a couple of years now on Kentucky Makeup Junkie, I am obviously a beauty blogger, but my passion's always been writing, and so video is a very new thing for me. I've got this product that my friend brought to me, and I thought this is absolutely perfect timing to start video because the product just is begging to be demonstrated on a video. So today I am going out of my comfort zone to bring you this video. Hope you guys like it. So I do get a lot of DMs with people requesting me to review certain products. One thing that I've gotten a ton of requests about is magnetic eyelashes. My lovely friend Amanda sells Tori Belle lashes. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of them, but today we're gonna talk about these lashes. I have tried them out before, so this is not a first impressions video, but I love them. So I had to demonstrate them for you directly today because there's kind of this magic when you put them on. You're like, what? How is this working? It's so cool. And I'm telling you what, after using these lashes and popping them on so easily, as you'll see in a few minutes, I will never go back to gluing eyelashes on my lids again. I absolutely hate it. Okay, so how does this work? So instead of glue or sandwiching magnets or whatever kind of contraptions these companies have come up with lately, Tori Belle has this line of magnetic eyeliner and magnetic lashes. So you pick your favorite lashes. They can be subtle, they can be very dramatic, and there's this huge range in between, which I think is super great because I've seen other companies come out with something similar to these lately, but they don't quite have the range that Tori Belle does from my experience and looking. So this is called the Magnitude eyeliner. Hopefully you can see that. It just looks like a regular eyeliner. You're not seeing anything weird here. It's very thin on the edge, which is nice because you can really kind of build the line up, make it as thick as or as thin as you want. Now I will say, because I have put these on before, you can't have a very super thin line and have these adhere. You want to have a thick enough line so that when you put the magnets on, they will extend to the width of what you're going for. You guys know I'm not a big fan of eyeliner in general. I do not wear it on a daily basis. I'm not wearing it right now, but every time I wear false lashes, no matter what kind they are, I always wear eyeliner, and I highly recommend it because if you don't, it just looks fake. I mean, let's be honest, when you're wearing false lashes, most people can probably tell that they're fake. I'm okay with that. I'm okay if people look at me and they're like, she got some fake lashes on, but if they look good, do I care? No, I don't care. With that being said, by you wearing eyeliner with your false lashes, no matter what kind they are, it just looks a little bit more natural with a liner on, believe it or not, because you got that thick base going on, and then when you put the lashes on, it doesn't look so apparent that you've just stuck lashes on. So regardless, I do wear eyeliner with false lashes, no matter what kind they are. Now, I will say, with this stuff from Tori Belle, you can actually wear your regular eyeliner underneath it if you want, which is kind of cool. I don't have any on right now, but you can just grab your favorite CoverGirl or Tarte or whatever brand that you like and put it on, and then you can just put this on right over top of it. So that's pretty cool too if you decide later like, oh, I really wanted to wear those, but I've already got all this makeup on. It doesn't matter, which is awesome because you can just go glide this on over top of it and then boom, go ahead, put them on, slap them on, and out the door. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the eyeliner on while you guys watch. Get a mirror here, and I can scoot up a little bit. It's just got little magnet particles in it. It does not harm your eyes. It is not harder to take off. I use the same exact makeup remover with this as I do with my everyday makeup, so it's not like you're scrubbing your face off or what if it gets in my eyes? It's no different. So if you wear a lot of makeup like I do, it's really no different at all. I am going to apply this to the other eye now. I chose the Tori Belle Ladies Night Lashes. Can you see those bad boys? I mean, come on. These are so cool. I love them. They're different. Definitely not the one you want to choose if you're looking for something to wear every single day. You'll see why when I put it on, but I like to think I'm a little bit extra, and so I had to try these super glam ones. They're super cool. You'll see too, like, I'm gonna grab my tweezers. I just think they're easier to handle off of here. They're just sitting on this like magnetic shelf in here, which is super cool. And you're probably wondering, what are all these little dudes here? These are called anchors. So I'll show you when I put these on. Sometimes people just feel a little bit more secure when they have these anchors on. Excuse me. So I will say, like, when I wore these, I wore them all night to a Christmas party one night for several hours. I did notice, like, towards the end of the night, the inner corner of one of my lashes started to lift a little bit. And I think it's because, like, I drew that eyeliner line on a little thin as I came in. So just make sure when you're drawing it on, it's still thick enough on the inner corners here, because if not, you might have lift. If you just want to like make sure you're not going to have any lift at all, just to be like extra safe, you can actually take these little anchors. It's just a couple little lashes on a little magnet and sandwich it in between your regular lashes. I'll put them on just so you can see, but I will tell you this, I wore the anchors that night too, just to see. I put them on the inner corner and the outer corner of both eyes, and it didn't bother me at all like the lashes I previously told you about. Maybe it's because I didn't put them all the way across, I don't know, but I just did the corners and it was perfect, and I never once saw any more lift that night at all. So it's maybe a comfort thing too. I really liked, you know, knowing that they weren't gonna go anywhere, but I don't think they will anyway, even if you have them on proper placement with a thick enough line to get in there. So without further ado, let's put these bad boys on. Hi, can you see these? I really hope you can. I'm trying to get in there. They are fantastic. So I don't know if you can tell the difference between one eye to the next. Here, I'll move my light a little. Check this sucker out. I mean, how about now? These are fantastic. And I just shoved them on there, as you saw. So if you put them on and then you realize like, oh, I need to pull them down, I would recommend like the tweezers, but you can just pull them straight down to where you want them. Here's one more look of them. No lashes and Tori Belle lashes. I love them. They're so cool. All right, we're gonna put the other ones on now. I'm gonna grab my mirror so I can see easier. Dun, 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 dun. I mean, that's it, you guys. That's it. Like, I'm ready now. I can go out and do my thing. I don't have to mess with glue. I don't have to wait for it to dry. I don't have to do anything. That's it. Look at these. These are super fun, appropriately named Ladies Night, don't you think? Now, we talked before about the anchors. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw those on so that you can see what those are like. They're so small, the pieces are so small that it's really doesn't feel like anything when you have them on. So I'm just gonna grab one of them. It's hard to see in there. You're definitely gonna want tweezers for this. At least I will. My fingers are too fat for me to get all up in there. So this is all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take this, go under, and it just clamped right together. That was it. I'm done. That's it. So I'm gonna apply another one on the outer so you can check that out. Bum ba da bum. It's on there. How awesome are these, guys? That's really it. And then when you're done, all you gotta do is, I use my tweezers, but you can literally just grab them and whip them right back off. Ready? Wait. Okay. Bye. Guess what? I'm done. Now I can take off my makeup and go to bed. Or you can just shove it back on there. Hello. Don't have any anchors on this side, so that one's just perfectly lined. Are these not awesome? I love them so much. I really hope that you guys try them out, especially if you're a fan of false lashes and you like just hate dealing with it because it takes so much time out of your routine. Another note about the lashes is you're gonna want to apply at least 2 layers, which I didn't show on camera, but you're gonna want to put at least 2 layers of the eyeliner on, because the thicker it is, the more magnetized it is, so they will stay and feel very solid on your lid. So I'm super comfortable right now. I could totally go outside, wind. I think Amanda tried her hair dryer on hers, which was super cool to see them not budge at all. So they work amazing. If you go to the link that I have in my bio, my friend Amanda will show you all of the different lashes that Tori Belle has to offer. And if you look at my blog post, you can see the difference in all of them. Amanda has actually modeled them all herself. You can check out the photos and see which ones, and consult with her, and she'll let you know which ones are right for you. Just pulled off the anchor there. Super, super easy. I probably couldn't do that easily myself with my fingers, if I'm being honest. But with the tweezers, super, super easy. I'm not even that steady-handed, if that helps you at all. So if I can do it, you can do it. So just grab them from the center, boom, that's it. It's amazing to think that, like, as easy as they are to pull off, they don't come off when you're just walking around or blowing in the wind. So I think it's so cool. You just literally shove them on there, boom, and then pull them off. What a fun game. All right, guys, I think that's it. Hit up my friend Amanda at the link below. She will tell you everything you need to know about Tori Belle, including pricing for everything and how they're bundled. It is so worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please leave me a comment, like, and subscribe.